Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple way to keep certain information private on Monday.com by using email updates instead of posting directly inside the Write and Update section. This method is perfect when you want to send sensitive details to specific people without letting the entire board see it. Let's get started. Inside Monday.com, any update you write in the Write and Update panel is visible to everyone who has access to that board. So if you want to share something privately, you shouldn't write it directly in the update feed. Instead, Monday.com gives you a feature called Email Updates, which lets you send your message directly to selected teammates completely outside the public update section. To use this, open the item where you want to share your information. Instead of typing in the update box, click the three dots at the top right of the item panel and look for the option Email to Item or Email Updates. This will show you a unique email address assigned to that specific item. Copy that email address. Now go to your email, Gmail, Outlook, or whatever app you use, and create a new message. Paste the unique item email into the To field. Next, write your private update in the email. You can add text, attachments, screenshots, or anything you want to send. Before sending, simply choose only the people who should receive this information by adding them in the CC or forwarding the email afterward. That way, the message stays between you and the selected recipients. When you send the email, the update will still appear inside the item for you, but it won't be visible to anyone else unless they were included in the email. This allows you to keep conversations private without exposing sensitive information to the entire team on Monday.com. Email updates are extremely useful when you're handling confidential details, personal notes, client information, or anything that shouldn't be publicly posted inside a board update. And that's how you restrict information on Monday.com, using email updates. It's quick, simple, and gives you full control over who sees your message. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Monday.com tutorials.